Hello, young engineers. Welcome to ELT109, Electrical and Electronics Principles. It's a principles course. I'll explain a little bit what we mean by electrical principles alone. So I'm your lecturer, Narpal Hiralal. I've been with the course for a very long time. I'm very familiar with the content. And you can depend on me for substantial support through the semester. But you might be asking yourself, you're here to do automotive engineering or mechanical engineering. Why do you have to do a course in electrical? That's a very easy question to answer. Any industry you go to, any industry, mechanical type industry, you will see automation is taking place. Things are being done automatically. And it's an electrical engineer, it's an electrical feature of the system, whatever it is, that allows that automation to take place. So automation is a big reason for you to study electrical and electricity. Secondly, there is something you must know about called robotics. The automation I speak about is actually a dimension to robotics. That's a merger of electricity and mechanical. And thirdly, a very big one that I think most of you will be very excited about is the arrival of the electric vehicle on the world stage. You know, we have a few electrical vehicles already here in St. Lucia, and I don't believe it will take us very long to see electrical vehicles in a big way. So those are three powerful examples that I think will immediately entice you into taking this electricity seriously. You're here for this course. You notice that there is no prerequisites for learning this electricity. Once you have physics, which if you want to consider it a prerequisite, yes. But once you have some physics, you have ample background to take you forward. The mathematics involved in this course is not very great. CXC mathematics is adequate. However, the volume of work that you have to cover is substantial. So be prepared to cover a fair bit of work. We've been managing to do it for the existence of the associate degree, so it's a challenge that I know you can undertake because all the students before you have done it successfully. So it's not a daunting challenge, but I want to prepare you. You can't relax. You got to keep it all the time. The course has no prerequisites, but itself, ELT109 is itself a prerequisite to ELT213. And here I want to emphasize a particular warning. ELT109 is a prerequisite to ELT213. Means if you fail ELT109, you cannot go forward to ELT213. If you fail this year ELT109, tell yourself you have 3 years at the college and not a year, because this course is only done in the second semester of every year. So if you've missed it this time, you have to wait until January 2022 to repeat, and that means another year to go on to ELT213. So word of warning, advance warning, take note, commit yourself to not fail this course. Fail this course, it has a heavy impact on how long you're going to stay at college. Trigonometry, by the way, is another such course. I just want to stick that in so that you're aware. Don't mess with trigonometry. Trigonometry is king in this department. The topics. The topics we have to do is broadly broken into 5 broad segments. A slight overlap, but clearly we can divide them into the fundamentals, which is definitions, basic concepts and these things. What's the current, what's the voltage, and so on and so on. Some basic formulas and so on. And that's the first. But the most important, we cannot go forward if you don't understand the difference between a current and a voltage and power and energy and these things. We speak a certain language and you got to understand the vocabulary of the language and the technical definition of the words. The second topic is circuits, circuit theory. Let's deal with series parallel circuits and some higher level circuit theory. Kirchhoff law is a big one. And that takes a little bit of time. And then we go on to capacitance. Don't worry yourself about capacitance. When the time comes, you'll learn about capacitance. But capacitance is the next topic. everything we need to know about capacitance. The next one is inductance. Again, don't worry yourself. When the time comes, we'll learn about it. And the final topic is semiconductor theory. That is to prepare you for, the world is a semiconductor world right now. The world is based on silicon. So any engineer going into the field has to know something about semiconductors. So these are the broad topics, how they're being assessed. There's a document on the Moodle course page that tells you exactly how the course is assessed and so on. So I will give you tremendous support. I'm a teacher, that's what I do. This is one of the main courses I teach. I love this course. I myself a trained electrical engineer. So I know you will be able to succeed in this course. But I must warn you, the volume, if you, it's a pie. If you don't have a good foundation, you can't go to the next level and the next level. Each topic is based on the knowledge of the previous level. So do not let down. Stay with it. Stay with it. You stay with it hard for 6-7 weeks. Finish the course and proceed to ELT213. So welcome, and I wish you every success. And together, I know we will learn a tremendous deal about electrical principles and a lot of other things. This is one of the courses that goes broadly across all fields. So good luck.